phenomenal. We see that around the world. So the underlying hardware guys are doing their job. And now it's just up to the software guys. So the fundamental definition of what a computer is will be different in 10 years. Today we think of a phone as a phone, and a PC as a PC, and a TV as a TV. Literally, I think what you'll do is you'll carry a brick, and the brick will be your telephone when you want it to be. When you come near a big screen, it's like your PC. When you come near your keyboard, it's your keyboard. You won't just be able, you can certainly type, you can certainly use a mouse. There'll be cameras that really do recognize your gesture, your voice. I think perhaps the biggest innovation will come through natural user interface. People want to tell the computer what they want done. They don't want to say, file, edit, open, DVD. That's not how people want to communicate with computers. They actually don't mind typing, at least most of them. But you'd like to be able to say something like, prepare a spreadsheet that charts, I don't know, the economy, the GDP over the years for the last 10 years. And you want the computer to take action. And these kinds of natural language technologies will really come to the fore with great software innovation by people in this room and others around the world. And then we'll build applications that run on top of it. And those will be available on things we think of as PCs and TVs and mobile phones. It'll truly be amazing. You know, one of the things that you hear a lot from people who are not technical people is, these things are too hard to use. We need to use more of our collective ingenuity, not only to let people do more, but also to let them get at those capabilities in a simpler form. And we're going to have the underlying software platform. We will have voice recognition engines, gesture recognition engines, natural UI engines. We will build those things as a fundamental part of the operating systems we deliver to you. On top of that, we're going to all have a chance to change the applications that people use. About 15 years ago, Bill Gates gave a speech, and he talked about information at your fingertips. Here we are 15 years later, and we don't have information at our fingertips. We don't have information and people at our fingertips. You know, it's easier every year to communicate, to search, to find things. But it's not simple. 50% of all the searches on the internet today don't actually lead to a successful answer to somebody's question, despite the improvements in internet search technology. If you find the information you're looking for, it's often very hard to use, whether it's inside a company or information on the public internet. How many times have you visited a website for a school project and then wound up retyping information from that website into a spreadsheet? Why? Why is it so hard? It's because we need to build the next generation of information and people at your fingertips. See this fellow right here with the video camera? Yeah. No, it's okay. You keep filming. I'm just going to use this example. Yeah, he's filming away. I don't know what he's going to do with this video. I don't even mind what he does with this video. But the truth is, what he'd really like to do the video. He'd like to be able to record a little note that goes with it. He'd like to be able to forward his note maybe to a friend and say, boy, Ballmer made no sense at this point. But instead he's going to have a video. Maybe he'll put it on his laptop. Blah, blah. It's not as animated and as alive. He really wants to link it to something he wants to say to his friend. Or he wants to stick it up on eBay and sell it. I don't know, one or the other. But nonetheless, there's a whole class of applications that will be written. Take entertainment. Take entertainment. You know, we say how far video games have come. We see how easy it is to access a variety of songs and video and TV content over the internet. But we haven't begun to scratch the surface for real